Easy Keto Shortbread Buttery Bliss without the carbs, 5 ingredients only. Craving buttery, crumbly shortbread but stuck on keto? With just 5 readily available ingredients and minimal effort, you'll be dunking these beauties in almond milk in no time. Bonus: this recipe makes around 15 to 20 cookies, perfect for satisfying your sweet tooth or sharing with fellow keto comrades. Here's what you'll need. 2 cups almond flour. Finely ground blanched almond flour is key for a smooth, delicate texture. 1/3 cup granulated sweetener. Choose your keto-friendly favorite. Options include erythritol, monk fruit sweetener, or a blend like Besti, adjust slightly depending on your preferred sweetness level. 1/2 teaspoon xanthan gum. This optional ingredient helps bind the dough and prevents crumbliness. 1/2 teaspoon fine sea salt. A touch of salt enhances the buttery flavor and rounds out the sweetness. 6 tablespoons unsalted butter, softened. Opt for grass-fed butter for an extra nutritional boost, but regular works too. 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract. Pure vanilla adds a touch of warmth and complexity. Let's get baking. 1. Prep your dry ingredients. Whisk together the almond flour, sweetener, xanthan gum, if using, and salt in a medium bowl. 2. Cream the butter. In a separate bowl, beat the softened butter until light and fluffy. This step adds crucial air pockets for a melt-in-your-mouth texture. 3. Combine and knead. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the butter, mixing until a soft dough forms. You might need a bit of elbow grease here, but be gentle, overmixing can lead to tough cookies. 4. Chill and shape. Wrap the dough in plastic wrap and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes. This allows the fat to solidify, making the dough easier to handle and preventing spreading during baking. 5. Preheat and prep. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. 6. Roll and cut. Lightly flour a work surface and roll out the chilled dough to about 1/4 inch thickness. Use cookie cutters or simply cut squares to create your desired shapes. 7. Bake to perfection. Arrange the cookies on the prepared baking sheet and bake for 12 to 15 minutes, or until lightly golden brown around the edges. 8. Cool and enjoy. Let the cookies cool completely on the baking sheet before transferring them to a wire rack. Tips and tricks. For an extra decadent treat, drizzle melted chocolate over the cooled cookies. Want a hint of citrus? Add a teaspoon of lemon or orange zest to the dough for a refreshing twist. Sprinkle with chopped nuts or seeds for added texture and flavor. Store leftover cookies in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days. You can also freeze them for longer storage. With this easy keto shortbread recipe, you can indulge in a classic cookie without compromising your low-carb lifestyle. So go forth, bake, and embrace the buttery bliss. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more keto-friendly baking adventures.